Another thing that, we often hear buyers say is that they make an offer and they think it has to be really low. You've got to make a really low offer. And look, sometimes it is a good idea, but it depends on a whole bunch of other things. And often when you're going too low, I mean, all you do is insult, you annoy the agent, you insult the owner. Like you actually do more damage than good half the time when you go with a low offer.
Yeah, particularly if that offer's nowhere near where they're going to sell, it doesn't matter how much under duress they are. If it is anything above a normal market, so there's an equity in supply and demand, then you're shooting yourself in the foot. You're actually on the back. They're going to countersign. If it's a private treaty and you make a really lowball offer, they're going to countersign at a much higher price than they're prepared to sell for, simply to say, no.
But that's if they
like, you go low, I'm going to go high, and then you're further apart than you could have been.
That's true. Although sometimes you get no counter offer.
True.
And then they're like the buyer's head spinning, going, what do I do now? What do I do? What do I do? So they often.
And Dad sits in the background going, don't be the next one to make the move.
Yeah. Or don't bid against yourself, son. So crazy things buyers do. Listen to their dads. That's really crazy.
The other thing that is really, really important, we talk about cutting out the noise and only listening to the people who are experts in their field and so forth when you're building a team. Dad's not part of your team. But the other thing is to think that because somebody is really successful in business, that they could be quite successful in helping you in a negotiation. And one thing that really hit home to me many, many, many years ago when a managing partner of a law firm came to me and said, Megan, I found this house and want you to negotiate it for me. I said, tell me, you negotiate $1 billion contracts. What is it that you think I bring to the table that you can't do? And this is years ago, Veronica. And he said, this is about people and emotions. I don't do people and emotions. All I'm going to do is annoy them if I try and do this myself. So actually separating your business mind from a negotiation is quite important. So, get the lawyer there and they're going to have a very different negotiation style.